Hey y'all, I'm back with a delicious pumpkin truffle recipe you will definitely want to make for Thanksgiving. You'll start with 12 ounces of ginger snap cookies and crush them in a food processor. My first round ended up being a little too chunky, so I had to go back in for a second time and thin out the crumbles. The second consistency was absolutely perfect. Next, you will cream 4 ounces of cream cheese and then add 7 ounces of pumpkin puree. Cream those together. Add in half a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/32 teaspoon of clove. Then you will add the ginger snap crumbles and 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix all of it together, and this is what the consistency will look like. Freeze your truffle mixture for about 2 hours. I actually ended up doing it overnight because you need this really frozen to do the next step. Take a small ice cream scoop and measure out your truffle mixture. Then you're going to roll it in between your hands, forming little balls. The truffle mixture is going to thaw very quickly, especially if you have warm hands like myself. After the balls are rolled out, please freeze them again for another 2 hours before dipping them in the melted chocolate. They need to be frozen throughout most of this process. The pumpkin and cream cheese mixture make it a very soft truffle, so it is a labor of love, but I promise you they are the most delicious thing you will ever taste. It is literally like Thanksgiving wrapped up in a tiny chocolate truffle. Now for the edible glitter, diamond dust. Champagne is my absolute favorite on these dark chocolate truffles. I love it. It's so beautiful. And then we have copper sky, which is a very popular diamond dust for the fall holidays, especially Thanksgiving. And then we have 10 karat gold. This has quickly become a fan favorite because of how bright and brilliant the gold tone is on this edible glitter. You do need to check them all out on thesugarart.com. And then I found these little paper leaves off of Amazon that are edible, just to give a little bit more of a fall accent. And that is it. Look how gorgeous these turned out. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And thank you always for being Team Sugar Art.